If you're experiencing issues with voice chat on your Xbox Series X, don't worry. Follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your network connection. Ensure that your Xbox Series X is connected to the internet. You can do this by going to the settings and checking the network status. A stable connection is essential for voice chat to work properly. Step 2. Adjust privacy settings. Navigate to the privacy settings on your Xbox. Make sure that your communication settings allow voice chat. If they are set to restrict communication, change them to allow friends and others to chat with you. Step 3. Restart your console. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve many issues. Power off your Xbox Series X completely, wait for a minute, and then turn it back on. This can refresh the system and fix any temporary glitches. Step 4. Check headset and audio settings. Ensure that your headset is properly connected and functioning. Go to the audio settings in the Xbox menu and check the output device. Make sure your headset is selected as the default audio device. Step 5. Update your console. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, select System, and then Updates. If there is an available update, download and install it. An outdated system can cause issues with voice chat. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any voice chat issues on your Xbox Series X. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.